So these are some of the plantings they put together. This is $40. Pretty. These are what, guys? I forget. Give me a name here, folks. Gerber Daisies. And this is some type of verbena, I think. I'm not sure. Let me look at the name. Heliotrope. The employees are hustling. Lots of mums. Lots and lots of mums. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That is a hibiscus. Lantana. I don't know if it's warm enough here for those. Firecracker plant. Snapdragons. Honeybells. Kufia. Oh, begonia. Look at that. Is that not the most gorgeous thing? It's a planting. It's a nursery grouping. Very nice. That's $130 for that little guy right there. Euchra are just my favorite. Sometimes I'm talking into the camera as well, and then when I narrate over, I'll remember what I was talking about. This is so beautiful. It's coneflower. This is what? Coreopsis. Oh, I need this coreopsis so much. I need this so much, guys. I need it. Look at the beautiful blooms on this. A whole row of euchra. I'm in euchra heaven. Euchra heaven. Marmalade is the one I always think of. I'd have to stay up here full time if I were going to buy all these plants. I'd go broke. Pink pearls. Crisp apple. Look at that little sweetie. Wiggles and squiggles. Shadowland. What is this? Hosta. Oh, these are hostas. I'm sorry, I didn't back up long enough to look. So these are all hostas. The deer ate mine when I lived here before. I have hostas down there in pots. They're only $20 here. Shadowland, Hudson Bay, June. Plantain lily, hosta, glad rags. Elegans. Express Woo, Shadowland. Oh, I'm sorry. Shadowland, Empress Woo. Doesn't matter, it's not going in the film anyway. Dancing Queen. Cool as a cucumber. Blue mouse ears. I have this at home. Abiquat, drinking gourd. Country mouse. Gosh, these are gorgeous. Look at them. They're a shade plant, by the way. Hostas have to be in the shade. iris, spiderwort. And what is this? Early brilliance magenta begonias. More euchera. Lots of ferns. Ferns grow wild here. They grow at the base of trees here. More hosta in bloom. These are beautiful. Patriot. More ferns. Ostrich. I can see it. English ivy. Tons of it. Vinca minor, or vinca of any kind. This is the most common one right here. These are steppables. These are great. You can plant them and step on them and walk on them. Like that one. I used to love to do that. So these are running about $6 each, a pack. Not a pack, a single. Like a single plant. Bugleweed, I've had some of that. I used to do little fairy containers. These are so cute, the creeping thyme. In fact, I have this in Arizona. See where it says walk on me? Yeah, you just plant them and don't worry about where they are. Blue star creeper. Creeping St. John's wort. Look at the beauty on that one, a chameleon plant. So pretty. Look at that one. Heron's bill. Those blooms are so precious. Walk on me. A white alpine geranium. Nice. I want all of these. I really do. Gerber Daisies. Bellflowers. These look like strawberries. What is this? What are these? Well, it is a strawberry. Lilac diamond. So this is July. These are more decorative, aren't they? I wonder if they put out fruit. You'd think so. This is a great nursery. And then the succulents. Hens and chicks. Chicks and hens, hens and chicks. So cute. Ice plant. I don't know how well the ice plant does up here. Seems a little cool. 50% off perennials. These are peonies. All the succulents. Well, not all of them, but all that are outside. Stone crop, so beautiful. Lots of maple, the lace maple. Look at the beautiful shapes. Oops. Grasses, carex, different kinds. New Zealand copper sedge. Mexican feathergrass, you guys know I have those at home. I have the blue fescue. Lily turf. Bulbous oat grass. Little blue stem. I would think the grasses would do really, really well here. Maybe the Mexican feather grass, not so much. Small fountain grass. A couple different kinds. This is kind of Penstemon red. Redhead. Sorry, my glasses weren't coming in focus. Carex, different kinds. Let me check a couple prices here and see what's going on with the pricing. It's like $13 for that size. Anywhere between 8 and 7 for these. $13 for that one.
Oh yeah, it's grass season.
What's this one? Fireworks. Proven winners. What do we got? Cheyenne Sky, Prairie Winds, Cheyenne Sky. $20. That's a reasonable price for proven winners. Around here. Pretty.